In this lesson, I want to tell you what Rhino 3D is and why I chose it. Rhino is a CAD program, but it allows you to create all sorts of very complex curved surfaces. Also, thanks to the Grasshopper add-on, a special plugin, you can create complex parametric models. For example, I worked in Rhino and created a piece of jewelry, like this ring and this kind of mesh on a sphere. By the way, this is not easy at all. I made it using Grasshopper, and I also imported various landscapes. This will be covered in the course, and I also designed a house like this for myself. There are plants there and all the chairs. You can do a lot of things in Rhino. You can even make all sorts of industrial items like glasses or computer mice. I've modeled things like that too. Rhino is something in between. There are CAD programs like SolidWorks or Inventor where everything is made with solid bodies. But Rhino is not like 3ds Max either, where everything is built with polygon snow. It's more like CAD, but it's something in between. But here you have polygons, CAD modeling, and surfaces all together. A lot of car bodies are made in Rhino because it handles flexible surfaces really well. For example, with Xnerps, which is an add-on for Rhino, and there are many plugins for Rhino. For example, Orca 3D. With Orca, you can design all sorts of boats and calculate how water will flow around them and how streamlined they will be. I really liked Rhino, and learning it turned out to be not that difficult for me.